Hey guys, in this video we are giving you the top reasons to stay at the Eagle Aruba Resort. Hey guys, in this video we are giving you the top reasons to stay at the Eagle Aruba Resort. And we're gonna start off right now, right in the room with reason number one. It is the room. And the fact that you have a full kitchenette with fridge, stove, microwave, and all of the utensils that you'll need to make your stay very, very comfortable. And another reason to stay here at the Eagle Aruba, space. You've got tons of space. These rooms are very, very large and they give you a lot of space to move around and to relax. Made it down to Eagle Beach. The little golf cart brought us here. They set us up with a palapa and a couple beach chairs. It's beautiful here. The sand is gorgeous. The water looks amazing. Can't wait to go jump in.
Another great reason to stay at the Eagle Beach Aruba Resort is not only do they give you free palapa and beach chairs right on Eagle Beach, but the restaurants at La Cabana, which is right beside Eagle Beach, they bring you a menu and you can order burgers, quesadillas, salads right to your beach chairs.
And that was Eagle Beach. What a great day here. The sun is out, the sand is beautiful, the water was absolutely gorgeous, crystal clear. Let's head back to the room and see where else we end up.
Hi.
Welcome to the Eagle Aruba. I'm Melissa, the front desk supervisor.
I will be Louis, front desk agent. Happy to welcome you on your next vacation.
Was Uncle Tony's Pizza. I gotta tell you, that was a great pizza. We got the meat lovers there. It was really well done. It was cooked perfectly and we really enjoyed it.
There are barbecue stations There's one here, and then at either end of the resort, there are also barbecues there, and they're free to use for the guests. This games area has really large versions of checkers and chess. There's also cornhole.
So this is the Vivant Spa. I know that we could say they kind of named it after me, or at least short form. However, it is a beautiful new addition to this property. Anyone who'd love a pedicure, manicure, facials, massage, you name it, this is the place to come to. Another great reason for being here.
Another great reason to stay here is they have garden and patios here right beside the pool. So you can come out here, sit down, relax, and have a wonderful stay. And if you're looking for something to do for the young and for the older, there are lots of activities here every single day at the Eagle Aruba, including t-shirt painting. They have beer drinking contests for the adults at the adult pool. They also have arts and crafts for the children. Tons of stuff going on here every single day.
If you're from the west side, Cali, born and raised right, from the town with the palm trees and good vibes, you know the best ride, soaking up the sunshine. And we hustle cause we tryna live a good life. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the bag, bumping loud. You know.
I'm trying to get them to start up a dance competition. And we got a lovely woman here shaking it up to the music.
Happy hour is another great reason to be here at Uncle Tony's from 3 to 5 daily and from 9 to 10 in the evening as well.
Come and have a refreshing drink here at the bar. Tony's Pizza. It's absolutely fantastic and the vibe is just incredible.
And another great reason to stay here at the Eagle Aruba is that they have 3 pools. They have an adults pool, they have a family pool, and then they also have a kids pool that has a water slide. Hey guys, just to let you know, here at Eagle Aruba, every Wednesday from 6 to 8, they have Carnival night.
Come join the party!
Next, I want you to say goodnight to one of the most colorful ladies. Give it up for Johnny tonight.
Come check this out. It's a fantastic time for the whole family. Okay, guys, just to let you know, every Wednesday that they have the Carnival night here from 6 to 8, they also have a buffet available. The cost is $45. It's all you can eat. So we'd like to thank all the staff here at the Eagle Aruba Resort who have made our stay absolutely fantastic. They took care of everything that we needed, and they were constantly very, very attentive, always smiling, and that's what it is here in Aruba. It's one happy island, and they showed that to us in spades. Again, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. We are Nick and Viv from Perpato with Envy. We do have a lot of travel content. Check out our whole Aruba series with hotel tours, restaurant reviews, and excursions that we've done. We look forward to seeing you on our next video, and thanks for tuning in. Have a great one. Bye.
Now bring your time.